Imagine having access to top-notch professionals at an unbeatable low one-time price. AI Agent, first to market, AI-driven app lets you hire professional graphics designer, nutritionists, teachers, legal advisors, financial advisor, software developer, journalist, real estate representative, digital marketing specialist, relationship coach, affiliate marketing expert, event planners, fitness trainer, travel advisor, social media advisor, fashion designer, chef, customer service executive, astrologer, and much more, and fulfill all your lifelong needs at an unbeatable low one-time price with zero hidden charges. Here are some of its amazing benefits. Have a professional army of skilled individuals available for you 24/7. Use these talented agents to manage everything for you even when you're on the go. Create 10x beta marketing copies that convert maximum leads into sales. Instantly create eye-catchy business graphics that resonate with your brand and fuel your business growth. Make the most from your social media marketing efforts in a cost-effective manner. Save thousands of dollars, hours of precious time, and use it for better business boosting purposes. Stop spending thousands of dollars monthly that could be wasted on purchasing third-party platform subscriptions. Generate captivating business assets without doing a single work yourself. Dominate your competition and get 100x results with zero extra effort or investment. Let customers literally beg you in exchange for your premium services. Fire all your expensive tools and services once and for all. Say goodbye to monthly fees or paying for expensive third-party platforms. No hidden fee or any extra expenses. AI Agent works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into dashboard. Step 2. Create, edit, and publish. Create high-quality AI 4K text to video, AI image talking video, AI ages change your video, and so much more. Step 3. Publish and sell. Publish and sell limitless AI-generated 4K videos, images, or anything you want to built-in marketplace. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Check description box now to watch AI Agent in action.